Greetings dear viewers. Today we will visit one of the most touristy towns in Limburg, which has the only hill castle in the Netherlands. The castle, with a history dating back to the 11th century, only consists of remains today. In the year 1115, fortifications were erected at the site by Gossoijn I, Lord of Valkenburg. This original wooden keep survived until 1122, when it was destroyed under siege by Henry V. This national monument is surrounded by a beautiful landscape garden. The first mention of the castle dates back to 1340, when there was a fortified farm on the site of the castle. At the beginning of the 19th century, the castle was uninhabited for a number of years, so it fell into disrepair. The accompanying chapel was then used for the storage of goods of a church in Valkenburg. In 1830 the manor was bought and saved from destruction by a squire. Between 1839 and 1840, the country house was radically renovated in neoclassical style. Then the country house got the look it still has today. Right next to it is one of the most fairy tale-like castles in the Netherlands. The moated Schaloen Castle, as it stands now, resembles a French hunting lodge. After the French occupation, during a restoration by architect Pierre Cuypers in 1894, the castle acquired its current appearance with the western tower and stair tower. The castle was first mentioned in 1375, and in 1381 it is noted that it was partly owned by the knights Johan Struve van Heusberg and Gerrit Mulliet. In 1400 Johan became the full owner, and the castle stayed within his family for the next 1.5 century. This city is unique, hides many secret places, has a very long history, and is definitely worth a visit, so I leave you with this beautiful view.